Welcome. In this video, you'll learn the simple steps to pin a post on Facebook so it stays right at the top of your profile for everyone to see. If you've ever wanted to highlight something important, like an update, an announcement, or maybe a favorite memory, pinning your post is the best way to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where the post you want to pin is located. From the home screen, tap your profile picture or your name to head to your profile page. This is where you'll find all your posts lined up in your timeline. Next, scroll through your profile until you find the post you want to pin. It could be a photo, a status update, or even a shared link, anything that you'd like visitors to see first when they visit your page. Once you've found it, look in the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. Tap on those dots to open a menu of options. From that list, tap the option labeled Pin Post. As soon as you select it, Facebook will move that post to the very top of your profile feed. That's it. Your post is now pinned. Anyone who visits your profile will see it first. It will stay there until you decide to unpin it. To remove a pinned post later, go back to the same 3-dot menu and choose Unpin Post. Simple as that. Pinning a post can help you keep your most important content front and center. Whether you're a small business owner sharing updates, a creator promoting something new, or just keeping a special memory visible, this feature makes sure the right post always gets attention. That's how you pin a post on Facebook the updated, quick, and easy way. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials that help you make the most of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching.